Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I told you in my previous video that I saw this beautiful Paco Rabanne purse and I have been wanting that purse for the longest time. It is so pretty, sparkly. It has a boho vibe. I thought it would be the perfect summer bag. And the only issue that I had with it was clearly the price. I am a little bit of a, I don't want to say stingy, but I love things on a sale budget, and that cost of the Paco Rabanne, it's a beautiful bag, but it was a little too pricey for me. So I decided to get creative, do my own, recreate the bag on a budget. So the Paco Rabanne purse, I believe, was close to $2,000, so like 1,000 something, and the bag that I created was $28. So I know it's not identical to the Paco Rabanne, but it is very similar. And of course I had to create my own little boho twist on it because you already know I love my boho pieces. So I added the fringe, but I am so happy of how it turned out. I love it. One thing I should mention, and I keep mentioning a lot of my DIYs where it takes patience, I think that this one took the most patience because I am sewing each sequin one by one. I was going to add some hoops instead of sewing, but I really wanted it to be secure and not fall if I'm moving it or I'm using it a lot. So I really wanted to make sure that it was secure, all the sequins wouldn't fall off. That's why I decided to sew each sequin, but you can go ahead and do similar to the Paco Rabanne where they use these little hoops. I'm sure it will hold, maybe not as much, but I don't know. I decided to sew it, but it is long and I had to punch holes in each of the sequins, which, by the way, next day I was sore in my hand, like the inside of the palm. So a little heads up, maybe wear some gloves or have a towel or cushion, something that can help with the next day, because let me tell you, it was like as if I don't know, it was completely bruised for a few days. But one thing for sure is that it was definitely worth it. I love it. I have been wearing that bag ever since. I feel that it goes with any outfit. At first I was going to do the combo of the gold and the silver together, but I thought that I would wear more of the silver one because I thought it was more me. So I decided to do an all silver bag, but if you prefer gold, then you can do all gold, or if you prefer a mix of metallics, you can definitely create your own look. I used a crochet bag because it was the simplest to sew sequins on. Now you can go ahead and use some straw bags, you can go and use maybe some fabric bags, some tote bags, also maybe faux leather, and you can poke it through. But I thought the crochet was the easiest for me, and it was the vibe that I was going for. Since it is very summery and boho, it was going to be my summer bag. Maybe at some point I'll do a smaller clutch with maybe gold sequins, maybe more for the holidays. I think that that would be beautiful as well. So maybe in the future I will redo it. That's how much I'm so happy about this bag. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Enjoy. that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a short and sweet video, but I still wanted to share, since I told you about the Paco Rabanne dupe. It was a long DIY, so it did take me a lot of time. For my next videos, I am going to IKEA, and I thought I would take you along with me, see what's going on in IKEA, if there's new things, show you some of my favorite pieces. Comment down below if you would want to come with me to IKEA. And also, I did a little revamp using some scarves. As you can see, I'm maybe wearing one on my neck, or I come thrift with me. So comment down below, let me know which video you prefer seeing next. Moving on to the outfit part. Hat I got at Urban Outfitters a long time ago, but I obviously catified it and I made it my own hat. Necklace is a DIY done by me. Shirt, I'm actually wearing two shirts. I am wearing a peplum top. It is a denim strapless. I'm not a big fan of strapless, so I decided to layer it over a denim blouse that I had. Then I have a denim, let me maybe get up. I have a denim skirt, so I am doing a denim on denim Canadian tuxedo. So top, the camisole is from Marshalls. This is from Zara, the blouse is from Zara, and the skirt is from Winners. I love my Marshalls, my Winners. Those are my go-tos when it comes to finding really cool pieces at a reasonable price. And jewelry, Kuakaya. So there you have it. That is the outfit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of this dupe, and if you want to see more of dupes. Maybe I can create other... I had fun doing this one, so I thought maybe I can do other dupes at some point. If you have ideas, send them to me. And thank you all so much for watching. I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.